All right, let's go over how to draw a dinosaur egg, and we're gonna go, it's gonna be cracked open, okay? So I'm gonna curve over here on this side. And I want it to kind of be again, cracked, like it already hatched, right? Like the dinosaur had already hatched, it's gone, totally long gone. And we're gonna go over here on this side. I'm gonna find the other side of the crack. Curve over here. And curve on this side, right? So far we have something like that. Right about here, line down. Line down, you want to, excuse me about the cough, by the way. I have had, so I'm also gonna throw another line across because I want it to kind of look like it has a thickness to this, to the edge. I was gonna say, sorry about the cough. I've had this like cough for months. I don't know, or no, that's not true. Maybe a month. I cannot get rid of this cough. It's wild. Nothing else though. I don't think I have anything. No fever, nothing. Just cough. Line over here. Line over here. Line over here. Kind of the nest that the egg is on, right? There's gonna be a little bit back here, a little bit back here. And so one thing about this is I want it to be on a bunch of branches. So I'm gonna just zigzag this back and forth randomly, right? This one's hitting gravity here, so it might not be as zigzaggy. Kind of doing the same thing here. Just very, very simple, very, very, you know, again, this be as random as you can get. So there's no right answer, there's no wrong answer, right? Just kind of zigzag it, you know? Line, 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 line. Line over here, line. Line over here, line, line, line. Just kind of throwing in these thin lines to really make this nest look like filled out. And you kind of want it to look, even though this is, you know, pretty animated or whatever, you want to make it look convincing. And kind of putting in more details makes it look more convincing usually. Usually thinner lines and then thicker lines on the outside. That's the general rule I do. And you're following the direction, almost like you're combing your hair. That's pretty much the way I think about it. Like you're combing your hair, you're following, you're throwing in lines here, directional. Over here. Over here on the outside. And all right. Now, let's get into a couple of more cracks over here on the actual, it looks too clean, right? Let's get if you think of cracks the way you would lightning, right? You ever see lightning where one trails from the other? And then maybe one's a little bit bigger here. Right? Just try to make them, I guess, uneven. See, that's too even for me right now. Like, look at it. It's interesting because your eye wants to make even stuff, but it doesn't like looking at even stuff, which is strange. I mean, you can throw like thin lines across over here just as a, you know, just to make it look like, you know, it's nicked and scratched and things of that sort. And you want to make it like, again, look, quote unquote, believable. Like this world is lived in, right? What else would happen in this world? Something like that. And I'm going to do something that might make it a little less believable, but I like it. I want to put a pattern on this thing. And I like it when there's dots on there. I'm just going to put couple of dots over here, maybe one right there. There you go. This hatched, it's a Yoshi egg, which is funny. And this inside part is not totally black, but I'm gonna curve line here, and then I'm gonna fill this part in black, like the really dark area. Just fill it in black. By the way, don't forget to hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. If you like learning how to draw, I post 3 times every single day. I don't know if there's anybody that does that. Absolutely hit that subscribe and click the bell notification if you like learning how to draw. Every drawing lesson is usually for beginners, but there's a couple of really cool ones if you want to try out, like the Godzilla stuff and the dinosaur stuff. Well, some of the more advanced dinosaur stuff on here, but there's a lot of variety, so absolutely jump in. I would love, love, love to see you here and talking to me in the comment section, and I'll reply. I reply to every single comment. So I'm going over here now. See, this area is not dark enough. It's not dark enough, so I'm going to put lines like this. And I never teach this stuff on this channel, but I think you're ready for it. I'm going to put a line like this. This is called, essentially, it's just a simple cross-hatching, right? Where, again, it's simple enough, but it's not so complicated, I don't think, that you can't follow. One last thing. I'm going to see this thickness of that line. I like that thickness. I'm going to create that thickness throughout the whole outside of this entire drawing, you know. Just kind of going over here, creating a little bit more thickness all on the outside area. Over here. Over here. Just continuing to kind of do that. And again, when you do this on the outside, you just create a better look to the stuff on the inside. It like just kind of refocuses your attention, and it's just kind of good for all line art. I hope you learned a little something here today. You're amazing. If you actually are here right now, say hi to me in the comment section and let me know, okay? Like, let me know if you made it all the way to this point. I will know. I'll be able to look at the comment section. I'll be like, okay, that person made it. Thank you so much. I will see you next time. All right, and if you want to keep learning how to draw and keep pushing your skills, go right here to this video on here on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and it I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now. Another short video.